Okay, what's good, YouTube? Y'all actually inside my apartment today. Let y'all see a little, a little something, nothing too crazy. I just moved in today. Actually, I actually haven't even put up my TV. Still gotta mount my shit later on. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But this is really just like episode 2 of that 150K account I started the other day. So I'm gonna start a series where I'm just just showing y'all the the progression. Sorry, it's super late from evaluation account to PA account, and it's gonna be a beautiful journey. So, about to take y'all over to my Trade Evade account. Let's see. So these past couple days have been amazing. So yesterday was a pretty good day. Total profit of 1,200 and gross 950. You feel me? 4 trades. Largest trade was 450. Average winning trade 300. But my losers, that's what really stand out to me. That's what it's letting me know I'm staying consistent. Average losing trade only being $131. That's what we like to see. You feel me? I only lost 2 trades yesterday. So yeah, that's pretty damn good if you ask me. So that brings us to 1,095 of gross profit for this account. I believe the goal is 9,000. So uh, over 10% of the way there in a day is not bad, not bad at all. So I was looking at this volumetric chart, and market data is literally a lifesaver. Like it gives you 3 times the data that just your regular, line chart would give you. So let's look at this line chart. Let's just look at this average chart that everybody probably uses. I actually don't have any indicators on here like the VWAP or the MACD. I don't use that stuff. It's all a bunch of baloney to me. So from a chart like this, you don't really get any info other than price went up or price went down. Support and resistance, whoop the whoop. It's all a lot of fancy language that doesn't really tell you a whole lot of anything really. But once you start getting into that level 2 market data, you are able to get a much better feel for the market and what's actually going on inside the candlesticks. So when we look at the chart here, we can see that there were 179 sellers at this 70 level, 125 buyers. Okay, when there are more sellers than buyers, what's price gonna do? Go down. What did price do? It went down. If we can ever, there we go. So look how far, you know what I'm saying? So when you got this kind of a view at the market, it gives you a lot more confluence and confidence behind your moves. So this is what I use. I'm huge advocate for market 2 level 2 market data. And I don't see why, what I'm saying, a lot of more people don't talk about it because it's so important. But the Dom, So with the Dom is on steroids once you feed it that market data too. So look at how many levels before the current price level, how many orders we can see at every level, every single level. You know what I'm saying? So let me pull up a chart, pull up a Dom that doesn't have market data. I don't have market data on ultra bonds. You kind of see how that only gives, one level of data. And so even though it is still useful to see the orders, but one level isn't gonna, tell you the full picture because there could be 1,000 orders sitting up here, and you know what I'm saying, 50 orders sitting right here, and it's you don't have the whole picture. So without the whole picture, you can't tell the whole story. So again, this tells you absolutely nothing. What move can you make from that? Where's the edge? Where's your edge in this? I don't care if you have 100 RSIs or whatever indicator. If you don't have an edge, you are essentially a gambler. And so I just can't say enough. I'm sorry, it's super late, but like indicators are lagging detectors of the market. If you aren't getting real time data, what are you doing? You're playing yourself. You're playing yourself. You're playing with your money. You're playing with your future, really. And people wonder why you don't have results or you don't have the tools. You know what I'm saying? And it's crazy because I'm sitting here telling you all of this for the free, and you know what I'm saying, I didn't have nobody to tell me any of these things. So you just gotta take advantage of what's out there. You know what I'm saying? And I know I went on a rant there, but I don't mean to bag on anybody who does use those indicators, and you're not hip on level two data because you only know what you know. But I'm exposing you to this stuff right now. So, for example, I saw after the big run up, from today, I was predicting that, we're gonna see a gap down and then a continuation. So I took 5 shorts of micro at E-mini S&P, you know, and I'm up $37 already. It's only 122, and I feel like it's only going to continue to go down before that market open. So if we can get down to the 66 level before market open, I feel like we got down much further than that, to be honest. So I'm keeping an eye on that. But this was episode 2. I just wanted to update y'all. Sitting at 151,000. Need to be at 159. And yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate everybody who's been, showing love to the channel, all the new viewers. Fuck with y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Nobody won the $100 giveaway on that last video because nobody y'all didn't get too active on there. So it's rolling over onto this one. Best comment wins $100. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm out.